Guys, in this video, we will see how to stop changes to your iPhone speaker volume limit. If you want to stop any changes to your speaker volume limit on your iPhone, here are the process. No one can change iPhone speaker volume limit. To do so, tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and look for the option screen time. Tap on screen time. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. Here first enable content and privacy restrictions. Thereafter go to allow changes to section and here you will find a speaker volume limit. Tap on it and choose don't allow. After choosing don't allow, no one can change a speaker volume limit of your iPhone. In future, you can also change it to allow or don't allow a speaker volume limit in your